Maybe it's opposite day. If you're wearing something, please get naked. All right? That goes for you too, ladies. All right, when we come back from commercial, we'll see if they listen.
You know, I was at Little League last night, and some guy came up to me and said, I saw you on Fox and Friends this morning. Is Gretchen as cute in person as she is on TV?
And what did you answer, America?
Gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at her today. Beautiful dress. You look wonderful.
If you're a 16-year-old kid and you have sex with your best friend's mom, you usually get high fives, okay?
Oh, my goodness.
Let me just finish, okay? She's not that attractive, so you might not have, that kind of reception, but...
All right, I gotta go. You should stick to the thigh-high boots. You're better at that. Lauren, thanks for joining us.
You're a non-organic carrot that's like this, freshly picked, is hairy.
You look like you can handle those things. All right.
Oh, my God.
Anybody?
A lot more lovely. And here comes Brian, and there he's going down. Brian's going down. Brian, oh, Geraldo.
Call your camp counselor.
No, poor Bob.
Hey, no. Call your dressmaker. I mean,
and give him a raise. That's what I'm saying.
You are giving America
That's what I'm saying.
a raise.
Oh, my God.
And our final contestant is Paige. All right.
I'd like to phone a friend.
All right, so what do you think about this?
I think I'm with him. Steve.
Hello? Mr. President, how are you? Yes, of course. Oh, you want me to let people know they can watch full episodes of The Daily Show for free anytime with the Comedy Central app or at thedailyshow.com? Yes, of course. Yes, I know I'm fake news. All right. Love you too. Bye-bye.